Hey, okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a funnel step hookup between steps. If you're using custom code, you need to do it this way. Okay, so here's a funnel step that does a video. It's doing a split test right now. It does a video, and there's no way to get to it unless you send someone you direct to it. But I've hooked it up to the opt-in page here. This is the opt-in page, and so how you do that is take a look at this video funnel step and make sure that you've already clicked publish and modified this link here. So you want to, this is gonna, yeah, I don't want to take me there. I want to copy this. I'm just gonna highlight it and then copy. And if I want to verify I copied it, I just put it in a text box here, so it looks like it's right. That looks good to me. It has some extra spaces on it, but that's okay. So what you want to do is you want to go to to your page that's the predecessor, the page right before it. Click edit, and then this one is custom HTML, and this is why you have to do this the manual way. Go to integrations. In integrations, you'll find the HTML that you've already placed in here, and then look for the thank you URL. And what you're going to want to do is you want to put that URL that you just found and paste it into that value. Now watch out for the quotes and make sure you don't make a mistake here. Sometimes it's just easier to do this in a text editor, so you can copy it, throw it over here. I don't know what's going on here. Oops. Okay. Okay, there. So let's see. Here's a handy trick, actually. If you press Windows V, you'll get a whole buffer of things that you've recently copied. So then you can click on it and it will paste those things. So here's the video introduction URL, and it should go into the thank you value here. It is already there, so that is where you want to replace it. I use this editor simply because it gives me clues if I made a mistake. And again, this is Microsoft Visual Code. It's free. It is for coding, but it's handy when you're doing this kind of work. So once you do that, you don't have to do anything else other than save. If all your stuff's synced up and line up and all that stuff, all you have to do is save and then exit. Make sure you click save and then exit. And now when you test this, you can test it. You click this button here, will take you there. If I can hit it. And then you can do whatever you want here. And that's just stuff that I put in there. Now what it's doing is it's taking. Oh, so it told me I'm already subscribed. So do I want to update? Well, that's always nice to do. So it just tells me that I got some information on my email address, how to do that. But if I do let's do nonsense. Just do that, something like that. Okay, nonsense@net, and that's not a valid address as far as I can tell. Doesn't matter. This is a test, and I can delete it. Okay, so now it's taking me to the video page. The video intro. Hopefully people are clicking it, watching it, and then they can click here to get to the next page, which is the sales page. And that's the same sales wire up as we've done many times. There's nothing to that one other than I'll show you. Click edit and then get in there. It's a little slow. But if you go here, look at this button, you can already see that the URL is going to my click magic button, or whatchamacallit. So you can see there when you set the action, it says go to a web page, and that's my click magic link. Okay, so that is that, and that's how you get those wired up. I hope that helps.